how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the latest version of beta, that is iOS 26.1 beta 3. So this is a beta version only for the developer if you want to try before rest of the world. So how you can do that? Obviously for this purpose you have to go inside setting here. In setting you have to go here general. In general you'll see software update, go inside. Here we go, you can see iOS 26.1 beta 3, 4 gigabytes of software. So we have bigger update this time. Last time it was 1.94 gigabytes. So depend where you are, you'll get the update, depend on your situation, depend on your phone. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max, so other version you'll see little bit differ. So you have to check. If you don't see here you have two buttons. First, this one automatic update should be on, so press it on. Then here update, beta update. So beta update, if it's off you have to turn on. In case if you don't see this update, in that case your phone is not eligible. Check if you have an Apple developer account. If you don't have Apple developer account, then you have to go to Safari. Go inside Safari, type here Apple developers. Here the first one you see iOS app developers, not that one, that is ads. Here this one, Apple developers. Go inside. In developers you have to connect with your Apple ID. You have to make an account with them, and it should be the same account of your phone. I click here, you see account option, click this one. You have to sign in with the same account, with your same Apple account, which one you are using in your phone. If you sign in with another account, it's not gonna work. So put your email address. You see the agreement, you can read if you want. Hit yes here, hit agree. Customize experience and all that. Get started. Skip and finish. I finish all the project. Later you can do an email and all that things. So this is Apple developer is activated. Now we'll go to the setting again. So which phone are supported in this case? From iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, 14, 15 and 16. Pro Max, also Plus version are eligible for this beta. iPhone 10, you may not get this beta update. After checking all the things, you have to go back here. You have to do a backup, because if you want to revert and go back from this option, if you don't do backup, you'll have a problem. So go to here at the name of your Apple account. Inside there, you will see iCloud. iCloud normally gives you 5 gigabytes of backup option. If you have more than that data, then you have to purchase 1 terabyte, something as this. So here you see iCloud backup 2 days ago. Click this one. And I hit backup now. Hit continue. If you have only some important document data, 5 gigabytes is enough. But if you have a lot of photos and videos, it will take a lot of amount of data. And normally if you don't back up photo video, 5 gigabytes will be enough. So you have to wait a little bit. Backup is done. Then we go back. Now everything is ready here. Now you have to hit update button. You have to put your passcode. You see update requested. You see here 28 minutes remaining. So meanwhile you can go and grab some tea or coffee, and I'll be back. After starting couple of times, my phone comes to this screen. You see here, it says software update. Your phone, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 26.1 beta 3. So slide to unlock your phone. So we can go inside the setting, general, yeah, software update. So up to date till now, so no more update I have. So beta, this one, So we have beta 3 in this case. There are some new changes here. There are bugs fixing or another things. In my next video I'm gonna talk about it. If you want to check my next video. So this is the way you can update your iPhone to the last beta, that is beta 3 of iOS 26.1, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.